Hello, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Welcome back to the video tutorial series for the Vignette Phone Crossbody bag. To make this sewing pattern, please visit my website linked below to purchase the pattern. In this final video in the series, we will make the crossbody strap. We're picking up on page 11, step 55. Locate your 1.5 yards of webbing, swivel hooks, and slide. And the webbing I'm using is 1 inch wide, 54 inches in length. To prevent the webbing from fraying, apply liquid fabric sealant, such as Dritz Fray Check, to both ends of the webbing, and then allow to dry before moving on to the next step. Pass one end of the webbing through the right side of the slide, over the center bar of the slide, and then through the left side of the slide. Turn the webbing so the slide is wrong side up. We're now going to fold the webbing over twice. So fold over the raw edge about 1 inch, and then fold over the webbing a second time. Leave enough space between the fold and where your hardware is so that your presser foot can maneuver around the hardware slide. Clip to hold the fold in place. We're on step 57 now to stitch a square to keep the webbing fold in place. So to begin, backstitch to lock the stitches in place, and we are sewing a square just as illustrated in 57 illustration A through all the layers of the webbing. At each corner of the square that you're stitching, keep your needle in the down position, lift your presser foot, and pivot. Then continue stitching until you reach the next corner of the square. I'm stitching the last side of the square, and when I reach the corner, I'm going to keep my needle in the down position and then angle my stitching to form an X from one corner of the square to the opposite. I'm keeping my needle in the down position again and pivoting to sew back over that straight edge of the square, and I'm sewing to the corner. Once I reach the corner, I'll keep my needle in the down position, sew diagonally to the opposite corner to form an X, and then backstitch, and we're done. Insert the remaining end of the strap into one swivel hook. Next, pass the same end of the strap through the slide, first through the right side and then through the left. Insert the remaining end of the webbing into the second swivel hook and then fold over the webbing twice, just as we did with the opposite end of the webbing in step 56. Pin or clip the edge and then once again sew the square of stitching with the X in the middle to secure the webbing in place. The strap is now finished, and so we can clip the strap to the D-rings on the D-ring connectors, and your Vignette Phone Crossbody bag is completely done. Congratulations. I hope you enjoyed the sewing pattern, and will try some of my other patterns on my website. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing.